Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see from here, we have a Lorus. Lorus is one of the brands Seiko has to conquer, let's say, the under 200 euros, $200 price segment without tarnishing, let's say, the name of Seiko. I do a lot of unboxings, a lot of reviews. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to be subscribed. Also hit the like button. It does help the channel a lot. And yeah, so I chose this watch because I did a lot of unboxing and reviews for Lotus watches, and they get a lot of good feedback. So I continued with that. So always appreciate your feedback about the watches that I have, watches that I review, so that I improve the content on the channel. So here we can see the Lotus watch with the reference number RL425BX9. It's an automatic watch with Seiko, let's say, with Seiko hardware. Let me take the... Oh, there is no plastic on it. Oops. So, as you can see here, we have an automatic movement. So, a Seiko NH35 movement pros probably. Let's see if it doesn't have hacking. It doesn't have hand winding, and I don't think it has hacking as well. So let's shake it and take the crown to the last position. It doesn't have hacking. So no hacking, no hand winding. Specifications, we have 41 millimeter in diameter, or 41.5. Lug to lug measurement is 50, and thickness is 13 millimeters. We have a mineral glass on top, date. As you can see, the normal Seiko style date, frame around the date, a minute scale on the bottom of each index, and a little bit of lume on each of the indices and on the hands. I don't think the lume will stay that much. On the hands, maybe it will stay a little bit longer than on the indices, but anyways, we have to know that they cut costs, and this is one of the stuff that they cut around. And we have here at the back, see-through case back, water resistance to 10 bars, 100 meters water resistance, and comes with this blue leather strap. Still testing the Citizen, so put it to the side. And as you can see on my wrist with the blue strap, looks quite nice on my 17.2 centimeter wrist. Hugs the wrist quite nice. The case is brushed finish, so I have a stainless steel brush finish. They didn't specify which stainless steel. On the side we have polished, and on the chamfers same finish. The bezel is brushed like the case, and the case construction has downward looking lug, so it does hug the wrist for even smaller wrist. I think 16 even centimeter would look fine on the watch. Yeah, anyways, I think I'll make also a 1-minute watch review for the watch after a week or two for wearing it. Then I will send it back. Don't think I will keep this one. Just wanted to show you that for 119 euros you could get an automatic watch, even though the specs are not that good, but still you can get an automatic watch for that price. And I think Lorus makes great watches in that segment, and if you're looking for something in that price range, you should consider Lorus as well. I'll leave a link for the Amazon watch in the description. It's non-affiliated, so please look around. You might find one cheaper, so the more you save, the better. And anyways, if you have a question about this watch or any other watch, as usual, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, share it with your friends. And of course, if you have any watches that you want me to review, want me to test out, leave your suggestion in the comment section. Even if you have a watch and you live here in Germany that you want it to be reviewed, we can find a way to send me the watch and review it and then send it to you back. And of course, here is the subscribe button, and on the left and on the right, you will find videos that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye.